Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these underbed storage containers by Liliadon. As you can see, you got the branding right there. You've got 2 smaller containers and 4 large containers. These are 90 liters in total. They've got handles on them, as you can see right there, right here. So it allows you to lift them up with ease. They unfold, they have zippers, so they're nice and enclosed, keep dust off of different items that you might have. And they're also super lightweight. I can tell the construction of these are very well made. Each stitch is very closely stitched. There's not any like hanging fibers or anything like that. Overall, these will really help organize your underbed space and allow you to easily access stuff. It also comes with 4 of these bags, and you could put clothes and you could put smaller items in these bags and organize everything very nicely. Overall, I highly recommend these storage bins, and thank you for watching.